Warriors forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today I'm going to put a video out on catching water as it falls off your squeegee using your applicator. Being that we're inside today, we like to use a drop cloth on our windows. Even though we don't drip much and we can get by probably without it, the appearance in a customer's standpoint, when they look at it, they see we're protecting surfaces, kind of eliminates some of the liability that could come up about staining certain types of wood floors, whatnot. It's precautions of what you take while you're doing your work. I'm using an 18-inch squeegee, silverback sleeve on it from ABC Window Cleaning Supply, 18-inch swivel handle. We are using for soap. I have dish soap in the water just for the video. You can see it being applied on the glass just for video purpose, but otherwise I typically use glisten. So we want to find a way to eliminate the falling water from your squeegee. Typically, you have a lot of water that's falling down. So what we're going to do is using after we wet the window, keeping that applicator out and put it ahead of the squeegee to eliminate that falling water. We're going to catch it right inside that applicator. It's going to be a way to help as we move to window. I like to keep my tools together so my squeegee isn't dripping around as I walk around, I guess. As I'm wetting in my right hand, I just hold that squeegee over my bucket on a belt, just so it's not also dripping on the floor. Repeating that same process, keeping that squeegee close. Now, I'll do it again. Now, if you're washing these, the more you do this, the more efficient you get. A lot of times we don't even realize that we're doing it because it's just part of what we do every day. But developing a system that works for you is helpful, and this is just one way to take a look at going about that. Works for me. Just wanted to put it out there. Try something new. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.